All right, guys, we were coming out of downtown Disney. We're taking a little break, maybe get some AC. We're gonna check out the Disneyland Hotel. Look at that. Let's go see what we see inside, shall we? So we get into the Disneyland Hotel, and what do? We find ourselves in a gift shop. Yay! More things to look at to buy. It's a shopping day. The heart of Disneyland Hotel. Wow, downtown Disney, Disneyland Hotel. What else are we gonna see? All the shopping, the food. It's been great so far. What else can we see? What else can we see?